Canon EOS R7, the camera equivalent of getting catfished, looks sexy on the spec sheet, but the second you actually use it, boom, disappointment, heartbreak, and a lighter fucking wallet. I've left a link to all the products mentioned in this video in the description below, so scroll down and check them out if you're interested. $1,500. Let me say that again slowly for the people in the back. $1,499 for a camera body only. No lens, no kit, no nothing, just the empty husk of Canon's broken promises. And what do you get for your life savings? A crop sensor camera trying so hard to pretend it's full frame, it's basically the Napoleon of cameras. Yeah, it's got 32.5 megapixels, but crammed onto an APS-C sensor, so tiny it makes your images look like they've been run through a 2003 Nokia phone every time you shoot in low light. Good luck shooting a concert or a dimly lit wedding. Your photos will look like pixelated ass watercolor paintings. Oh, but Canon brags 651 autofocus zones. Great, so now I can miss focus in 651 different ways. You'll be trying to shoot your kid's soccer game, and this dumb camera will be busy locking onto the grass, the goalpost, or a fucking cloud in the sky. And don't even get me started on the so-called high-speed shooting. 15 frames per second mechanical, 30 electronic. Woohoo. Thanks, Canon. I've always wanted 30 blurry-ass pictures of my dog sneezing. At this point, I get sharper shots if I duct taped a GoPro to a fucking pigeon. The stabilization? 5-axis IBIS. Cool. I'll need it to stabilize my hands while I shake with regret that I just wasted $1,499 on this fuckery. And the video? Canon's flexing? Oh, it does 4K. Like, that's impressive in 2025. Bitch, everything does 4K. My phone does 4K. My toaster probably does 4K. Hell, even my neighbor's kid's fucking drone he bought on Wish shoots 4K. Canon acting like they just invented fire. And the recording time. Over 30 minutes. Wow. Congratulations, Canon. You finally figured out how to make a camera that doesn't overheat faster than my laptop running Chrome with 10 tabs. Do you want a metal? Or maybe a fucking cookie? Oh, but wait, it's compact and lightweight. Yeah, so is a fucking Happy Meal toy, but at least the Happy Meal comes with fries and doesn't cost more than a month of rent. Now let's stop playing around. If you want an actual camera worth a damn, get the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Yes, it's $1,999. Yes, that's $500 more, but that extra $500, that's the difference between driving a real car and a fucking Power Wheels toy car. The R6 Mark II gives you a full frame sensor. No diet bullshit. 24.2 megapixels that actually do something useful. You can shoot in low light without your images turning into pixel soup. You don't have to pray to the photography gods every time you hit the shutter. Autofocus? This bad boy doesn't just track subjects, it stalks them harder than your ex on Instagram. Birds, dogs, cars, faces, whatever. It locks on like a sniper and doesn't let go. Meanwhile, the R7 is still in the corner crying, wondering why it focused on a fucking bush instead of your subject. Video? Clean. Crisp, sexy. You can shoot vlogs, films, weddings, or OnlyFans content without worrying about your camera shitting itself halfway through recording. And unlike the R7, you won't feel like you just paid top dollar for Canon's sloppy seconds. Click it. Don't be a cheap ass. You want quality? You want reliability? You don't buy the fucking knockoff diet version. You go full frame, you go R6 Mark II. Period. So yeah, the Canon EOS R7, fuck that shit. It's the overpriced clown shoe of cameras, a scam wrapped in shiny marketing bullshit. If you want to waste $1,500, set it on fire instead. At least you'll get some warmth before winter. Like, comment and subscribe. Or don't. I don't give a fuck. But if you're tired of Canon and other companies trying to sell you half cameras at full ass prices, smash that goddamn button before I lose my mind.